Hello and welcome to Bookney. My name is Esther, and in today's introductory video, I'll be telling you all about Bookney and why this channel was created. Bookney was founded June 2020 by two passionate Nigerian writers and book publishers who wanted to make a world of difference for both authors and readers alike. With Bookney, we decided that we would create a digital book publishing and reading platform where authors get paid their royalties every single month and readers are rewarded with various gifts like cash gifts, free books, and other incentives for reading books. All these were done in a bid to promote the reading and writing culture in Africa. This channel was created with the UN Sustainable Development Goals 4, 5, and 8 in mind. We created this channel to make education via tutorials, videos, and literary contests available to every single person. Create opportunities for more women in the literary space, as well as job opportunities through our internship programs and book publishing related services like book cover designing, art illustrations, book trailer videos, and book marketing services. If you are an avid reader or lover of both fiction and non-fiction books, then welcome again to Bookney. This channel was created just for you. And if you want to get more information about Bookney, you can visit our website as displayed on the screen. On this channel, we have created and prepared a lot for you. And so on this channel, we will be showing you literary contests, book reviews and author interviews, book writing, publishing and marketing tips, as well as recommend monthly books for you. So this is why you need to subscribe to Bookney's YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and spread the word with all your bookworm friends, because this channel is exactly what you need if you want to grow as a reader and a writer. We are so excited that you have watched this video till the end, and we cannot wait to share every single thing we have created for you on this channel. So see you in our next video.